Hello there, how is it going on? My name is Firdaus Hassan and today I would like to talk about some sentences based on basic English along with advanced English. So let's get going. আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমরা আলোচনা করব কিছু বেসিক ইংলিশ প্যাটার্ন নিয়ে যেগুলোকে আমরা অ্যাডভান্সে কিভাবে বলবো সেই বিষয় নিয়ে। তো শুরু করা যাক। A lot of, a significant amount of, really like, fond of, or keen on, friendly, amicable. I think it's good. I believe it's beneficial. I had a good time. I had a fantastic time. Beautiful, stunning, breathtaking. I want to go there. I aim to go there. Or I plan to go there. Thanks for watching. See you soon.